Hi, hello everyone. I am Sudha, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Application in KSR College of Arts and Science for Women, Trichangood. Now we are discuss about the Unit 3 in Java programming language. First we will discuss about the inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. It is an important part of OOPS concept. We already discussed this inheritance in basics OOPS concept. Inheritance means it is inherit the properties from base class to derived class, that is called as a inheritance. The idea behind the inheritance in Java is that you can create a new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse the method and fields of the parent class. Moreover, you can add a new method and fields in your current class. Inheritance represents the easier relationship, which is also known as a parent-child relationship. This easier relationship represented in the database management systems. Why use the inheritance in Java? For method overwriting, surround the time polymorphism can be achieved. For code reusability, term used in inheritance. What are the terms can be used in this inheritance concept? Class, subclass and superclass. Subclass is also called as a child class. Superclass is also called as a parent class. Class. We already discussed the class concept in basic OOPS concept. What is meant by class? Class is a collection of object into a single unit, that is called as a class. Same definition will be shown here. A class is a group of objects which have a common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which object are created. We simply say about a class is a blueprint. Subclass or child class. Subclass is a class which inherit the other classes. It is also called as a derived class, extended class or child class. The child class is also called as a derived class or child class or extended class. Superclass or parent class. Superclass is the class from where a subclass inherit the features. It is also called as the base class or a parent class. Next one is a reusability. Next one is a reusability. As the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the fields and methods of the existing class. When you created a new class, you can use the same field and methods already defined in the previous classes. Next one is a inheritance figure. How to inherit the property from base class to derived class, that will be shown in the figure. Take the example as the employee details. Employee have a salary. That salary will be represented in the data type as a float. Next one is the programmer. Programmer also have a salary field. That salary field will be defined in the format defined in the format of integer. That is, the data type is an integer. The bonus will be noted in the form of integer data type. That will be shown in the figure. Employee table can inherit the programmer table can inherit the properties from employee table. That will be shown in the figure. Next one is a type of inheritance. We have 5 type of inheritance are there. First one is a single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical level inheritance, multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. What is meant by single inheritance? In the single inheritance, we have only one parent class. That parent class, the derived class can get the information from the parent class. That is called as a single inheritance. That means the one derived class can inherit the properties from one parent class. That is called as a single inheritance. That will be shown in the figure, class A and class B. Next one is a multi-level inheritance. It is a level by inheritance. The base class is called as a parent class. The derived class can get the properties from class A, and class C can get the properties from class B. That is, the level of inheritance is called as a multi-level inheritance. Next one is a hierarchical level inheritance. In this inheritance, only one parent class, you have a two derived class. The two derived class can inherit the properties from only one base class. That is called as a hierarchical inheritance. Next one is a multiple inheritance. In this multiple inheritance, you have you have two parent class and only one child class. The one child class can inherit the properties from parent 1 and parent 2 also. That is called as a multiple inheritance. Next one is a hybrid inheritance. It is a combination of multiple and multi-level inheritance. Class A can class B and class D two child class. The two child class can inherit the properties from class A as well as a class D. That will be shown in the figure. That is this is called as a hybrid inheritance. Thank you.